one question for you, that is, if you won a lottery
Hmm.
of $1,000, then what will you do
For $1,000, what would I do?
for right now?
Um, oh, good question. I would probably buy my mum a house.
Oh,
She always wants her own house. So I would buy my mum and my brother a house. Um, what else? Um, I would help put some of the money into schools and education because there's
oh,
lots of
yes,
kids that
yes,
can't
yes,
afford
exactly.
the things they need
Can't
for
afford.
school.
Hmm.
So I would do that. And then, yeah, whatever I have left, save it. I don't know.
Then you can spend this uh, rest of money by yourself.
Yes. Yeah. What would you do?
Uh, yes, if I actually first of all, I will repay all the debts what I have.
Oh, that's a good one. I forgot about debts. Yes. Student
Oh,
loans. Yeah. Oh.
yes, there's a hectic schedule, like a
Hmm.
hectic one, headache one.
Mm. Yeah,
So I
I
have to pay
agree.
that. And
Yeah.
next, yeah, I will help, and also I will help some poor students
Yeah.
like you that who cannot afford education
Yeah. Yeah.
in my locality. So I will really help them.
Yeah.
On the other hand, yeah, I will make for dogs because I love dogs and there are
Oh,
a lot of street dogs in
yeah.
my locality. So I had to
Yeah.
do that.
Yes, yeah. They can get sick and there's no vets
Yeah,
that can take
exactly,
care of
exactly.
them and
Hmm.
oh, that's really nice.
And do you like cooking?
I do, yes. Yes,
Oh,
yeah.
wow. So
I'm not very good, but I like
okay.
it.
Oh, yes. Me too. I like cooking because
Yeah.
cooking is really important and crucial part in your life,
Yeah,
in everyone's
definitely.
life.
Yes, yeah. It's
And,
important to have the
and
healthy
what,
meals.
hmm. And what kind of food do you like to cook?
So I like cooking actually quite a lot of food from countries like Thailand and Vietnam, like
Hmm.
spicy soups and noodles and
Oh,
dishes
spicy
like
one.
this.
Oh,
Yeah, quite spicy. Lots of I like
oh
cooking
wow.
lots of
I
curries.
love spicy.
Yeah. Oh, you do? Yeah. Good.
I I can make curry also, egg curry and chicken curry.
Oh, yes. Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, I like making curries, but I'm vegetarian, so I
Oh,
just make them with vegetables. But yeah.
oh, okay.
So
And
where
yeah, one
where are you
question.
from?
Oh, sorry, I have to say first that my name is Indrajit and I am from India and I live in Kolkata in West
Ah.
Bengal.
Oh, okay. Okay. Very nice. I've been to India, but I've never been there before.
Oh,
I
what?
have been to India, but I haven't been to your city. I've been in the north, in
Oh,
Ranthambore and um, Rishikesh and
oh,
Udaipur. I've been to Udaipur,
okay.
Rishikesh, Ranthambore. Yeah, very beautiful.
Oh, I, yes, me too. And lovely. And and what do you do in your free time?
So, in my free time, I enjoy exercising,
Oh,
yoga, doing lots of yoga, running a little bit, doing some sports, swimming, and
oh,
reading,
oh.
and traveling when we're allowed to.
Yes,
Not
yes.
right now.
Yes, you are cautious about your health. You like
Yes,
to be
yeah,
fit and fine. So
yes.
actually, you look fit and fine. You look more energetic.
Oh, good. Thank you. Good. Yeah, it's the exercise and the food.
And also,
Yeah.
I love to do yoga, and also I love to do free hand exercise
Yeah.
in the afternoon.
Yeah. It's good for your mind and your body.
Yes, it is. It is really good for health.
Yeah. What kind of exercise do you like doing?
Like I like skipping and also
Hmm.
running
Yeah.
and also sometimes cycling.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, cycling's good. Is it really hot if you go running outside? Do you have to go like
Yeah,
early in the morning or late at night or?
yeah. I like to go early in the morning because the
Mm,
weather is fresh and also cool,
yes.
moderate. So
Yeah.
that's why I prefer that.
Yes, yeah. You can hear all the birds and all the
Yes,
animals waking up.
very yes, and also being in nature,
Yeah.
it is really good.
Yeah. Very peaceful.
Yes, absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yes, good. Well, do you have any more questions for me?
Yeah.
We
So
still have a few
and
minutes, so
yes, yes. And if suppose if you are invisible, then what will you do
I
for a
was
day?
invisible.
Yes, for a day.
Oh, I've never thought about that. If I was invisible, oh, that's a good question.
Then what
Hmm.
do you do? Like something doing like that, but uh, something enjoy for enjoyment or something like that. What will you do for traveling without ticket?
Yes, yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it? You could just go on the aeroplane and no one would know you're
Nobody,
there.
yeah, nobody can
Yeah.
see.
But then I would
That
feel
will that
guilty
yes,
because I didn't buy a
yeah,
ticket. So I don't know. But traveling, yeah,
lovely.
probably I'd find a way to travel somewhere. And how about you? What would you do?
Yeah, if I that is really awesome, and that would be awesome thing for me. And I
Yeah.
like to do whatever I want and what I like uh, entering a sweet shop, then
Yeah.
and eating sweet so that
Yeah.
nobody can see me, and also with without ticket I must go to cinema hall to
Uh-huh.
watch movies.
Oh, yes, yeah. And no one would know you're there.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. And for a
Yeah.
day, I maybe I travel from different places to different places, but
Yeah.
I have to return my home
Yeah.
uh, in end of the day because then I otherwise I will be caught
Yes,
in
yeah.
red-handed.
Red-handed. Yeah. Have to get home quickly.
Yes, yes,
Yes, good. Well, it was really nice talking to you.
yes, yes. It was really lovely to meet you, and
Yeah.
I really spent a good time with you. Thank you very
Good.
much
Yes.
for your great time.
Oh, me too. Thanks a lot. Take care, okay? Enjoy the rest of
Yeah,
your evening.
yes, and see you soon.
Yeah. See you
Stay safe.
soon. Thank you
Bye.
very much. Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.